So if you are a paid user, you get access to our weekly reporting. Let's go over what some of these items mean in our report. So we have our bot ID, bot title, stop on. That's whether or not your bot is going to stop when it detects aggression. End stop on means whether or not it'll stop when it reaches its last objective. Use limit, that's for super user accounts. That's the number of messages you want to allow that bot to process over a 30-day period before it shuts off. Endpoint is for people using webhooks to integrate. That will show your webhook. Your model, that shows the model you're using. Now it defaults to GPT-4 Turbo if nothing is set. Location ID is your high-level location ID integrated with a high-level account. Booking error flag. Now this is whether or not you want your bot to add a tag for booking error if it detects no availability in your calendar when it tries to book conversation. AI responded flag, that is whether or not you want your bot to be able to add a tag when it's responded to a contact. Aggression detection flag, whether or not you want your bot to tag a contact when it's detected aggression. Now, this is only going to happen when you have the stop on as well. So this has to be true for that to work. We have the objectives complete flag, whether or not you want a tag to be added when the AI completes all of its objectives. AI appointment booked flag. Now this is going to be true all the time for now. There's not a UI element to change this. This will add a tag when the AI has booked an appointment. Delay, typos, and breakup. Delay is when you want extra delay in addition to the processing time on how long you want the bot to wait before it responds. Typos, the percentage of time you want the bot to do typos. Breakup is the percentage of time you want the AI to break up larger messages into smaller messages. Connected, if that is set to true, that means that you are either not connected to anything yet or you're connected successfully. You'll only see false here if you were connected and then something happened to cause that to fail. If you false, you'll want to probably go in and reconnect it. Outbound responses shows the amount of responses that your AI has sent. Follow-ups, the number of follow-up messages it sent. Inbound messages is the number of messages we've received from contacts. Credits spent is the amount of money spent in closed bot credits on that bot. Unique contacts responded is the number of unique contacts that have engaged with that bot. Appointment set is the total number of appointments that bot has set during that time period. Undeliverable messages and minor error messages. Minor error messages means something might have happened when we tried to process the message, but it still sent successfully. Versus this one, same thing, but the message was not able to be sent. The number of objectives that have been completed by that bot and the number of attempted bookings, so the number of times that it tried to book appointments, and the number of messages that are related to appointment bookings. So you can see how many messages it took for a booked appointment. We love stats at ClosedBot, so we're happy to bring you all these stats so you can dig into which bots are performing the best.